That's why I didn't want to do it. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Try again?
It weighs
Yeah,
so
I'll do
much.
it again. I think I broke my spoiler. It's kind of crooked.
Something got it.
Nope, it's fine. Nope, it's fine. His body's a little dinged up. It was already dinged up too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that. Skid plate. Other than that, that ain't bad. I'm not gonna do it again.
Okay.